Okay, my students, probably going to make 2 videos on this one, but it's dealing with mean, median, mode, and range. And then the next video will probably talk about outliers, but these are 4 words you should already know. Mean, you add up the items, then you divide by the number of items. The median, first you have to order the items, put it lowest to highest. Then it's the item in the middle. And again, I'm assuming you've done this, middle of the list. Mode is the item that occurs the most. And range is just the largest one minus the smallest one. So let's see what we got up here. You add, here's a list of numbers, just numbers I put down, don't mean anything. You add it up and we have 112 when you add them up. And we divide that by the number of items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now use a calculator. Last week, I don't care if you use it. This week, I have no problems if you use it. And don't forget, our quiz is Wednesday. So I get 14. Now, mean people would say, hey, that's a great number, 14. Median people would say, wait a minute, really, there's not that many numbers by 14. So median people is just first you order the list. And if you noticed, I already have this one in order just to save time for the first one. Then it's the one in the middle. So there should be the same number of items below and same number of items above. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right between 10 and 12. So either you could go 10 plus 12 is 22, divided by 2 is 11, or what number is right between 10 and 12? And that would be 11. So median people would be, doesn't it make more sense? 10 is just 1 below, 12 is just 1 above. Now, the more symmetric the list is, the more that each one's the same distance away from each other, the closer these two are going to be the same. The more abnormal, the more you have a couple numbers way high or way low, the more different they'll be. Now, mode is just the one that occurs the most. You could have no mode if they all occur the same amount, one mode, or more than one if you have some that occur the same amount of time. So for this problem, the mode would be 10 because it occurs twice and none of the others occur twice. Then the largest minus the smallest would be 30 minus 6, which is 24. Now what that tells you is how spread out are the numbers. So if the range is very tiny, that means all the lists are clumped together. So anyways, oops, where did I put it? Oh, I put it over here, excuse me. So here's a list. Find the mean, median, mode, and range. Don't forget, you have to put this in order for the median, so just do that first. Freeze me and then turn me back on. Okay, so let's see. I like to put a little X above it if I'm putting it in order. So I'll have 1, I'll have a 1. Let's see, the next number is 2. Let's see, the next number is 3, then 4. And let's see, I have another 4 over here. So maybe this is a rating of a restaurant, 1 to 12, and how good it is. So I would say, wow, something's wrong. Maybe the service is bad, or maybe you burnt the food. Let's see, what's next? We have a 6, we have a 7, we have a 9, 10, and 12. Now notice, since I put them right below each other, so it lined up, so I must have used all the numbers. Didn't make any dumb mistakes. So now I'm going to add them up. So I'll have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, that's 11, 15, 21, 28. Oops, plus 19, 31. And that is wrong. Oh, I put dividing. Well, it'd be 59. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 59 divided by 11 is 5.36, repeating. So I'll go 5.36. Always double check. Let's see, 2, 4, 7, 11, 15, 21, 28, 37, 47, 59. Looks good. Now median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some have 5 below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there's an odd number of items in the list, then it's going to be an answer in the middle. If it's even, you got to find the middle 2, and then add and divide by 2. Mode. Let's see, you got 2 1s, 2 4s. So we have 2 modes this time. We got a 1 or a 4. You could have 3 modes, 5 modes, just depends on the list. Then range is 12 minus 1. So it's 11. Okay. Now I would do more of this, but I think this should be basic review, so good deal.